Hello students, this is class 4A. Class 4A and subject GSC. And date is 18/2/2021. Lesson 9, Safety and First Aid. Lesson 9, Safety and First Aid. Safety and First Aid. Lesson 9. So you have to see page number 52. And in this 52, today we are going to see worksheet 9. Worksheet 9. In this worksheet 9, A, fill in the blanks. A, fill in the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, most of the accidents happen due to carelessness. First, due to carelessness. Second, always walk on a footpath. Now third, do not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. So here you have to feel wet. Wet hands. And fourth, use or thick clothes to hold hard vessels. So use tongs. Use tongs or thick clothes to hold hard vessels. Fourth. Now fifth, now we can write fifth here. Fifth, first aid is given to an injured person before a proper medical aid is obtained. So here you write first aid. First aid. So once again we have to see through the blanks. First, most of the accidents happens due to carelessness. And second, always walk on a footpath. Now third, do not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. And use tongs or thick clothes to hold hard vessels. Now next fifth, you see fifth. First aid is given to an injured person before a proper medical aid is obtained. So now we have to see, take the right answer. Second we have to write, take the right answer, B. Now it is B. Take the right answer. Take the right take the right answer. First, minor cuts should be covered with, first you see, minor cuts should be covered with, three options are given: antiseptic bandage, water and oil. So here antiseptic bandage is correct option. So you have to tick as the antiseptic bandage. Antiseptic bandage. And second, in case of minor burns, hold the burnt part under. Three options are given: hot water, cold water, and sunlight. Three options are given. So cold water is correct option. Second you have to write cold water. Now third, if a person is bitten by an insect, apply. Once again, if a person is bitten by an insect, apply. Three options are there: calamine lotion, Savlon, and Bernal. Three options are given here. So if a person is bitten by an insect, apply calamine lotion. And fourth, the immediate help given to a person of an accident is called. The immediate help given to a person of an accident is called. The options are there: first aid, accident aid, and hospital aid. So here first aid is correct option. First aid is correct option. Now fifth, you cannot see here properly fifth, so we can write fifth here. Fifth, in case there is no footpath, we should walk. If there is no footpath, then we should walk in the middle of the road or along the edge of the road. So along the edge of the road is correct option. So here along the edge of the road. So you see here, take the right answer once again. So minor cuts should be covered with, three options are there: antiseptic bandage, water and oil. So antiseptic bandage is correct option. Now second, in case of minor burns, hold the burnt part. Once again, in case of minor burns, hold the burnt part under. Three options are there: hot water, cold water, and sunlight. So here, cold water is correct option. Now third, if a person is bitten by an insect, apply. Three options are there: calamine lotion, Savlon, and Bernard. So in third, calamine lotion is the correct option. Now next, fourth question. The immediate help given to a person of an accident is called. Three options are there: first aid, accident aid, and the hospital is. So here, first aid is correct option. Now next, fifth question. In case there is no footpath, we should walk. Two options are given: in the middle of the road and along the edge of the road. So we cannot move in the middle of the road. So along the edge of the road is correct option. Now we have to see true and the false. See true and false. Now this is C. Right thing are true and false. Right T for true and F for false. So first, run over the desks in school. No, you may get injured. So first is wrong. Run over the desk in school. It is false. First is F. Second, keep the bathroom floor dry case. If not, it is correct. Keep the bathroom dry. And third, accept a gift from a stranger. No, gift from a stranger cannot be accepted. So this statement is false. And fourth, touch the electric switches with wet hand. No, we cannot touch the electric switches with wet hands. Now next, cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Yes, it is correct. You have to cross the road only at the zebra crossing. This is fake. It is true. It is true that you should cross road only at the zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing and it is needed to cross the road, then in this condition we have to see both sides of the road, left and right side of the road, and if no any vehicle is coming, then only in that situation we can cross the road. So we should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing and we need to cross the road, in both the condition, any time we are crossing the road, either zebra crossing is there or zebra crossing not there, we have to see both this side, left and right, then cross the road. So thank you for today only.